talking about rabbit and tortoise running race story. One day, rabbit to tortoise want to keep race with rabbit, and all animals want to see and came and they keep running this. Rabbit runs fast, tortoise came slowly, and rabbit can not see tortoise, and he just take a rest, but accidentally he slept, and tortoise didn't make sound and go, and he wind. Rabbit saw him and run, and he saw the tortoise win. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.